Hari Om children, how are you all? I hope all of you are healthy and fine in your homes. Children, you imagine a world where there is no forest, no trees. I know it's very difficult to imagine such a world. Children, we all love our nature. So we need to preserve it. We need to save it. Vana Mahotsav, this is just a step. It is a trial to make our Mother India green and clean. Children, Vana Mahotsav is a movement. It is an annual tree planting movement. It is actually celebrated in between 1st July to it begin from 1st July to 7th July and continue for 1 week. Vana Mahotsav, from the name only you can understand, Vana means forest which consists of trees. Mahotsav means festival. So Vana Mahotsav is a festival of trees. Vana Mahotsav is the step to save our Mother Earth. It is initiated in 1950 by the Union Minister of Agriculture, Kulapati Dr. K.M. Munshi. You know children, after that, this organization or this program gained immense popularity, immense importance because millions of saplings were planted all over India during celebration of Vana Mahotsav week. It is expected that in this Vana Mahotsav week, every citizen of India should plant a sapling for growth of a tree. This program also makes people aware that how harmful is cutting of trees. What are the dangerous effects of it? So this program, but through this program, some campaignings are done and people in schools, office, colleges, etc., they plant trees. And also some noble promotion like free circulation of trees are also done by some organization, volunteers, etc. So by this planting of trees, we have so many benefits. Big trees in our surrounding give lot of problems can be solved by this planting of trees. Children, you know, planting of trees it can be done for various purposes, like it increases the production of the food resources, and also it helps to create the shelter belt around fields to increase the productivity. It provides food to cattle, and also the important thing is that it gives tremendous amount of food for cattle. And also it provides shade, and most important thing which we enjoy, that it decorates the landscapes and also prevent soil erosion. You know children, only to some extent upper layer of the soil is fertile. When big trees are there, they hold large amount of soil by their roots. Then what happens when there is flood, when there is cyclone, the fertile soil cannot be flown away or blown away. So the fertility, to continue the fertility in land, we need trees, so which can prevent soil erosion. Planting of trees is very important factor to reduce global warming and pollution. You know, these are the threatening factors nowadays all over the world. Global warming. To decrease global warming, trees are important. Trees, we can say, they are natural air conditioners. They can cool the atmosphere. They can bring the normal temperature in the earth. So we can say this Vana Mahotsav, planting of trees, this can also be said as festival of life. Festival of life. Children, actually in India, this program began in July 1947 after a flourishing tree planting drive was undertaken in Delhi, in which national leaders like Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Jawaharlal Nehru participated. The festival was simultaneously celebrated in number of states in India. Since then, thousands of saplings of diverse species are planted with energetic participation of locals and various agencies like our forest department. They also take very quick action in this. Okay. Now, trees are the most precious gift given to mankind, and it is our duty to save it, but man is destroying it for its selfish needs. So he is cutting down the trees and we are steadily moving towards the path of destruction. Children, the need of the hour is that all the destruction caused by human can only be balanced if you plant more trees and create new forests. Small initiatives by us will make our planet greener and cleaner. Children, you should understand, when you plant a tree, you plant a hope for future. Plant a tree, plant a future. Okay? And remember children, trees on, global warming gone. Trees are God. Love them. Revere them. And you know children, God could not be present everywhere. So He created the trees everywhere in the world. One more thing children, planting a tree is much better than wearing a mask to be safe from pollution. So if you want to be disease free, just plant more trees. Let us feel free to plant more trees and get oxygen free. So children, now you are at home. So what you will do, so in this Vana Mahotsav week, you take saplings of trees and plant it in gamlas or in any containers in your terrace. Now rainy season, rain is there, so the sapling will grow. That when it will be little bigger, when you come out, you can put it in the place where you feel that, where you think that tree should be there, in school or in playground or nearby your house. And if every year you should at least one tree you will plant children, then what? You will get greenery all around. Also, I can suggest children, in this week or whenever you meet your friends or when you want to give some gift to your friends as a token of love, you can give a sapling, a small plant to your friends. Then it will help to increase the greenery, and so you will fulfill your aim that to get green India and clean India. So in the end, I would like to say that save trees, save a life. So children, one tree everyone should plant in this Vana Mahotsav week. Thank you.